Ganda. So what's up guys, another day, another shoes to unbox. Ito yung Peak Taichi Supreme. Let's see. ASMR, let's go. Matagal kong inantay nitong colorway kasi palaging sold out. Maganda to. I'm so excited. Iba ang saya kapag may bagong sapatos. This is it. Peak Taichi Supreme. So ito yung may drop-in midsole. Bright orange red yung colorway niya. Inspired to dun sa reverse Grinch. Alam nyo yung Mamba, Kobe. Nice. So open. Ganda. My favorite color. May free laces pa siya. Color green para maging reverse Grinch na siya. Yan. Check natin yung insole. Maganda yung insole nito eh. Sobrang lambot to nito kapag walang insole eh. Malambot yung insole oh. Yan, ito yung sapatos niya kapag walang insole. Diba? Balik na natin. Siyempre, quick look. Pero bago yan, palitan muna natin tong shoelaces. Gawin natin color green. Yan, let's go. So syempre, dahil di pa natin afford yung original na reverse Grinch, yung inspired na muna. Here's the quick look. Front, side, and yung outsole niya. Solid rubber. Ready for indoor and outdoor courts. Sobrang low lang nito. Check natin kung matripan natin to. So that's it. Syempre, amoy check. Peace.